Halo guys, masih berjumpa lagi bersama channel kita Ismet Supen, Kapten Muda Jalan-Jalan. Kita sekarang lagi mau menuju yang mobil lagi viral. Let's go.
All it takes is that one look you do, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad. Guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that.
Nah, ini baru ketemu nih driver mobil viral di Palembang. Sudah berapa red bang?
Baru 3.
Baru nak 3.
For the better, if it just ain't right, and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down.
Inilah artis Palembang. Dario, Udario Iko. Ini driver mobil viral Palembang.
So bad, but all fine.
Why we fight? I don't know. We say what hurts the most. Oh, I tried staying cold, but you take it personal. All these firing shots and making ground, it's way too hard to call. But I still can't let you go.
Cause when
Sekarang
it
sudah ketemu yang mobil viral di Palembang yang warna pink, Hello Kitty. Ini mobilnya. Ini walaupun mobil Palembang tapi dia ikut kemodifan Padang-Padangan.
all falls down, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Kita sekarang sudah ada di markasnya mobil yang lagi viral di Palembang, di Nontan. Ya, perjalanan kita. Ini Isuzu Giga semua, Pak?
Giga.
Ada berapa unit, Pak?
Giganya ada 4.
Unit. Ini yang putih susu, ya?
Standar masih.
Kalau yang ini yang lagi viral, Pak?
Viral
Palembang,
ini.
Pak?
Iya,
Viral ini. Giga Jeffrey, Pak?
iya, udah Jeffrey ini. Idaman anak remaja.
When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right, and it's time to say goodbye. When it all falls down, when it all falls down, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Terima kasih telah mengikuti channel kita Ismet Supen. Tunggu video kita selanjutnya. Bye bye.